Luna, also known as the Moon, is an astronomical body that orbits planet Earth and is Earth's only permanent natural satellite. So, the diameter of Earth is the diameter of our moon is 3,500 kilometers. The distance from the Earth is 384,400 kilometers. Orbital period 27 days. Rotation period also 27 days. Being full moon to full moon is 27 days. Gravity about 6 times lower than Earth's. Surface area about 38 million square kilometers. Our moon has an area that is over 2 times larger than Russia. So, what would standing on Luna feel like? Well, let's see. So, as you would stand on the moon, you can see there are many craters on the moon. And that is because craters have crashed into the moon billions of years ago, just barely after it got formed by a collision by a Mars-sized object. So, on the light side, you can feel that it's very hot. It can be about 153 Celsius on the bright side of the moon, but on the dark side of the moon, it would be minus 107 Celsius. That's because our moon has almost no atmosphere, since the gravity is 6 times lower. An object needs to have gravity 100 times lower than Earth's to have no atmosphere. So our moon kind of has a thin atmosphere, an extremely thin one, if you think it has no atmosphere. So you can tell on the poles of the moon, yeah, there can be water on the poles of the moon because it's made of ice, water ice. So you can tell that our moon is very small right now because billions of years ago, which is an extremely long time ago, our moon was so close to the Earth that our moon just got formed, and now it is getting farther away. Since the moon is getting smaller in the sky because it's getting farther away. But there was a lunar eclipse that happened on January 31st. And our moon was only 350,000 kilometers away from Earth. And it was very, very red. Because the lunar eclipse happens when our moon is in the shadow of the Earth. In the middle. And then sunlight reflects for our moon to be red. Yeah, we always see the front side of the moon and never the back of the moon. That is because our moon is locked to the Earth. Because in 69, yeah, so in 69, yeah, 2 astronauts and know how does the back side of the moon actually looks. And yep, and they send it to NASA. And NASA told all of us how does the back side of the moon looks, since we cannot see it. So yeah, there are 8 phases of our moon. New moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, third quarter, and waning crescent. Those are the 8 phases of the moon. So yeah, that's the showing of the phases of the moon right here. And you can tell about the solar eclipse. Well, our moon is 400 times smaller than the sun, and just 3 times smaller than Earth. Alright, so yeah, solar eclipse happens when our moon blocks the sun. Yeah, just like that happened on August 21st last year, when the moon was crossing the shadow into the United States. Yeah, this is a picture right there of Earth sending oxygen to the moon. But this is how back in the past it was. It was very large. Yeah, this is the distance from moon and Earth. And like I said, this is the near side, this is the far side. And yeah, that's the blue moon. Since that happened, because on March there was a blue moon that happened the last time, and now the blue moon will never happen until 2020, meaning in the next decade it will return. Yeah, that could take a long time. So yeah, when it's in the middle of the shadow, when our moon's in the middle of the shadow, it shows. Yeah, you can tell why the sun is black because of our moon blocking the sun. You may think that a demon is coming to destroy the Earth, like you saw it on Teen Titans of the End. No, these are footsteps on the moon, since someone stepped on the moon. The United States was the first country to land on the moon. Yeah, this is the blue moon, of course. Like I said, since that happened on March for the last time until 2020. Near and far side. And yet you may tell, you can see the moon in the sky. It may be hiding lots of water on the surface, of course. These are the phases of the moon. But anyway, that's all I have to say for this video. This is your bud, Nip165, over and out. Bye.